Hello and welcome to another episode of 90-Second Equities. It's a double dose of Matt's this week, as I'm delighted to welcome Global Equities Portfolio Manager Matt Kirby and first-time guest on the show. Matt, my one question and one question only this week is, it's checkup time. What is the current health of the healthcare system? 90 seconds, watch that clock.
Thanks, Matt. So first, for simplicity, let's split the healthcare sector into four buckets. So roughly half the sector consists of pharmaceutical companies, and the other half can be split three ways. So into life science tools and services, so those that support research or manufacturing for pharma and other customers. Medtech, which covers manufacturers of equipment or devices for diagnostics and treatment. And then healthcare services and payers, so those who are actually bringing the healthcare to patients. So with that in mind, let's run a quick health check on each of these. So starting with life science tools and services, since the pandemic, a few factors like inventory destocking or biotech funding slowdown have weighed on the industry. However, these pressures have now eased off, which has improved visibility on the growth outlook. So currently, all findings within normal limits. For medtech and hospitals, the market has been laser focused on procedure volume growth. This has come back towards pre-pandemic levels, helping customers perform pretty well. At this stage, no cause for concern. On the flip side, higher patient utilization rate has worked against the payers at the same time that policy pressures have been increasing ahead of the US election. This warrants further testing. And then finally, in the lovely world of pharmaceuticals, this currently is all about anti-obesity medicines following the emergence of GLP-1 weight loss drugs. On one hand, you have the opportunity for certain companies to address a disease area that's a significant burden on global healthcare systems. But then on the other hand, you have manufacturing challenges, increasing levels of competition, and a reluctance for many healthcare systems to actually reimburse these drugs. This one requires constant monitoring.
Okay. So it looks like a decent bill of health to me, Matt, but certainly some areas that'll need some more monitoring. So we better book you in for a follow-up meeting at some point in the future. Speaking of which, we hope you can join us again in 2 weeks' time for another episode of 90-Second Equities. Bye-bye.